Good morning, everyone. How are you? You are very fine. Okay. Welcome to your YouTube class. Dear students, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Who is there? Who is there in this topic, the story? Why is the old man so fat? What is talking to the thin boy? Let's read the topic. A greedy fat old man. A greedy fat old man. The story is based on fantasy. It is very interesting and you will enjoy it. Okay. तो at first आमे स्टोरी टाको भल भाव में पढ़ा तापर आमे बुझा तापर आमे क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा. ओके तो आमे पढ़िबा को. Once there lived a greedy fat old man. One day he got up at 6 a.m. and brushed his teeth at 6:30 a.m. He took tea at 7 a.m. and breakfast at 8:30 a.m. Do you know how much tea he took? And what did he take in his breakfast? He took 2 mugs of tea and 2 liters of milk. Then he took 3 tins of biscuits and 5 big pieces of cakes. After breakfast, he looked really very fat. Then he went out for a walk. He walked and walked till he met a little thin boy. He had a long conversation with the boy. Old man, have you brushed your teeth? Boy, no, I have not. Old man, do you have enough tea and milk to drink? Boy, no, I do not have. Old man, do you have enough biscuit to eat? Boy, no, I do not have. Old man, do you have enough cake to eat? Boy, no, I do not have. When the old man had just finished his questions, the boy asked him a question. Boy, old man, what makes you so fat? The old man said, I have taken 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk. I also took 3 tins of biscuits and 5 kilograms of cakes. And if I can catch you, I will eat you up. Then the old man caught the thin little boy and ate him up. तो आमे भल भाव लर्न कले तापरे में लाइन बाय लाइन बुझिबा डिफिकल्ट वर्ड लिखिबा. ओके देखो. Once there lived a great deep fat old man. Greedy means hard words. Once means ekada. Greedy means लोभी. greedy means लोभी. Once there lived a greedy fat old man. एकदा जने वृद्ध लोभी व्यक्ति बास करथिले. One day he got up at 6 a.m. got up उठिले. One day दिने he got up at 6 a.m. से 6टा रे उठिले and brushed his teeth at 6:30 a.m. एवं तांको दांत घषिले 6:30 a.m. brushed 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 means दांत घषि. He took tea at 7 a.m. एवं से चा पिल केतले 7 a.m. रे 7टा रे. And breakfast means breakfast BREA breakfast means ସକାଳ ଜଳଖିଆ ସକାଳର ଜଳଖିଆ ବୁଝି ହେଉଛି ଓକେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ 8:30 AM ଏବଂ ସେ ଜଳଖିଆ କଲେ କେତେଟାରେ 8:30ରେ ଡୁ ୟୁ ନୋ ହାଉ ମଚ୍ ଟି ହି ଟୁକ୍ ତମେ ଜାଣିଛ କି ସେ କେତେ ଚା ପିଇଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ହି ଟେକ୍ ଇନ୍ ହିଜ୍ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏବଂ ଜଳଖିଆରେ କ'ଣ ନେଲେ ତମେ ଜାଣିଛ କି ହି ଟୁକ୍ 2 mugs ଅଫ୍ ଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ 2 liters ଅଫ୍ ମିଲ୍କ ସେ 2 mug ଚା ଏବଂ 2 ଲିଟର କ୍ଷୀର ପିଇଲେ ଦେନ୍ ତାପରେ ହି ଟୁକ୍ 3 tins ଅଫ୍ ବିସ୍କୁଟ ଟିନ୍ସ ମିନ୍ସ ଟିଣ then he took ତାପରେ 3 tins of biscuits 3 ଟିଣ ବିସ୍କୁଟ and 5 big pieces of cakes pieces pieces ଖଣ୍ଡ केक्स केक होची पीठ then he took 3 tins of biscuit and 5 big pieces of cakes तापरे से 3 ଟିଣ ବିସ୍କୁଟ ଏବଂ 5 ଖଣ୍ଡ ବଡ଼ ଖଣ୍ଡ କେକ୍ ନେଲେ आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट ପରେ he looked really very fat से केमती देखागले ब्रेकफास्ट कर सारा ପରେ से बहुत मोटा देखागले very fat then he went out for a walk तापरे से चलने लगे then he went out for a walk से चलने गले he walked and walked से चलिले till पर्यंत till TILL पर्यंत he walked and walked से चलने को लगे till he met a little thin boy जेते पर्यंत तांकर लिटिल बॉय माने छोट बालक सहित भेट हो नथिला लिटिल थिन बॉय मीन्स लिटिल होचे छोट थिन TSIN थिन होचे पतला ओल्ड मैन हैव यू ब्रश्ड योर टीथ बुढ़ा लोक हैव यू ब्रश्ड योर टीथ तुम ब्रश कर सारे कि बॉय नो आई हैव नॉट मु करी नहीं ओल्ड मैन डू यू हैव एनफ टी एंड मिल्क टू ड्रिंक तुम पाखे यथेष्ट परिमाण चा क्षीर पीक अच्छी कि बॉय नो आई डू नॉट हैव मो पाखे नहीं ओल्ड मैन डू यू हैव एनफ बिस्कुट टू ईट तुम पाखे यथेष्ट परिमाण बिस्कुट अच्छी कि खाइबा को बॉय नो आई डू नॉट हैव नहीं मो पाखे नहीं ओल्ड मैन डू यू हैव एनफ केक टू ईट तुम पाखे यथेष्ट परिमाण केक अच्छी खाइबा कि बॉय नो आई डू नॉट हैव नहीं मो पाखे नहीं व्हेन द ओल्ड मैन हैड जस्ट फिनिश्ड हिज क्वेश्चन जेते बेले द ओल्ड मैन हैड जस्ट फिनिश्ड हिज क्वेश्चन ओल्ड मैन क्वेश्चन फिनिश है द बॉय आस्क्ड बालक कहला ही मेड क्वेश्चन गोटे क्वेश्चन पचारा बॉय बालक ओल्ड मैन व्हाट मेक्स यू सो फैट बुध लोक व्हाट मेक्स यू सो फैट तुम्हें एत मोटा किपर हेल दि ओल्ड मैन सेड बुढ़े लोक जन कहले आई हैव टेकन 2 mugs ऑफ टी मो 2 mug चा 2 liters ऑफ मिल्क 2 लीटर क्षीर आई ऑल्सो 3 tins of biscuits एवं 3 ଟିଣ बिस्कुट and 5 kilograms of cakes एवं 5 kg गोटे केक खाई तो and if I can catch you एवं catch means धरी and एवं if जदि I can catch you तुमको जदि धरी पारिबी I will eat you तुमको मध्य खाई देबी then the old man caught the thin little boy तापरे बुढ़ा लोक जनक caught the little boy and ate him से पतला बालक को धरिले and ate him ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଖାଇଦେଲେ। ତ ଷ୍ଟୋରୀଟା ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ତୁମକୁ? ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा। समस्त बुझिपार? ओके, देखो कंप्रेशन क्वेश्चन देखो। ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन आंसर क्वेश्चन दीजिए व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट? व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट? व्हाट इज द स्टोरी? व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट? आंसर कौन हम? द स्टोरी is about a greedy fat old man. What is the story about? The story is about a greedy fat old man. Question number 2. When did the old man get up? When did the old man get up? Answer कौन होगा? The old man got up. The old man got up at 6 a.m. in the morning. समस्त बुझी पारछ? 3 नंबर जीवा। 2 नंबर कंप्लीट हो गला। 3 नंबर हाउ मच tea did the old man take? क्वेश्चन अच्छी हाउ मच टी डिड द ओल्ड मैन टेक? आंसर कौन हम? द ओल्ड मैन took. The old man took two mugs of tea. The old man took 2 mugs of tea. तापर हमें 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन लिखा। 4 नंबर देखो whom did he meet on the way? Whom did he meet on the way? Answer he met a thin boy on the way. है नंबर 5। 4 नंबर समस्त कंप्लीट हो गला। ओके, नंबर 5 देखो हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस did the old man asked the boy. Answer how many questions did the old man ask the boy? The old man asked 4 questions to the boy. Okay, सरीगला 5 नंबर 6 देख 6 नंबर देखो 6 नंबर did the boy ask the old man any question what was his question what was his questions. Did the boy ask the old man any question and what was his question? Answer about yes, the boy asked the old man. Yes, the boy asked the old man. Question पचास what was his question? His question was what made the old man to fat? What made the old man to fat? Okay, तापरे so fat sorry. तापरे 7 नंबर देखा समझते लिख सारे yes 7 टा देखा what did the old man do with the boy? What did the old man do with the boy? Answer about the old man got the boy and ate him off. ओके तुम 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन सरीगला है आज भी एति था आम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढ़ा ओके बाय।